Oh, that is that's exactly what happens when you fuck around and try to find out. Good morning YouTube, what is up? This is your captain speaking, and today's vlog is a domesticated flight. We're not going to be flying anywhere today. Today's vlog mainly deals with the preparations for the next ride. It's 11:51 in the morning, 19th of August, and today's day marks my embarkation. I'm embarking on a new journey, and this journey is going to be my first ever cross-country solo ride. The entire ride spans over 3,000 kilometers to and fro, and the main point of this vlog is to, like, whatever shit I'm carrying, etc. Shit as in shit is already there in my stomach. Come to think of it, I'm going to be shitting in every state every day. One shit per day per state. That's a flex, bro. So starting with immediately what's in front of me is I have to get the mic setup out of this helmet and put it into my touring helmet. ये मैं usually मुंबई में use करता हूँ. This is actually not my helmet. This was my Pillions helmet, but she doesn't use it anymore. So इसका जो setup है, this kind of setup. I don't know what exactly it's called, but I don't trust these too much. इसलिए मैंने, that is why I always add up extra like blue tack or like whatever sticky substance I can find. I had actually soundproof this also. This is a great helmet, but I don't prefer this for motovlogging that much, because especially this Axor helmets are very, very, very loud. I'd rather prefer my MT. This is my OG touring helmet basically. After that is done, उसके बाद मैं लेके जाऊँगा डोरा को. Dora has to be given for service. Ever since I'm back from the Goa ride, I haven't given Dora for service, and I know I come across as a bad father right now to my motorcycle, but she's just been standing there in the parking gathering dust. I mean, I ride her here and there in Chembur, around Chembur for whatever work I have, but hasn't been any touring happening since the Goa ride. If you watched the last vlog, you know why. Oh fuck, ये मैंने जस्ट गिरा दिया था ऑलमोस्ट नीचे भाई. 8 माला नीचे. अगर ये गोटे 8 माले नीचे गिरे तो किसी और के गोटे के वांदे हो जाएंगे. So yeah, a quick recap. Mic has to be exchanged, bike has to be not exchanged, bike has to be given for service, panels have to be clean, polished, and also I need to put some new reflectors on that. My new shoes का जो ऑर्डर मैंने दिया था वुडलैंड का, वो अभी तक आया नहीं है, तो आज मेरे को उधर जाके उससे थोड़ी सी पूछताछ करनी पड़ेगी, क्योंकि वो भाई साहब ने ना मेरे को बिल दिया. He told me the bill will come on your phone, but I haven't got an SMS as yet, and I haven't even got my shoes as yet. मेरे साइज़ नहीं थे वहाँ पे, and I know I probably should have gone for like ऐसा legit riding shoes, but I'm more comfortable in my Woodland boots. They are a little firm also, they are a little tough also, and I've always been wearing Woodland, so I'm the maximum comfortable with them. Today is the 19th of August. The 19th of August is Raksha Bandhan. Now I'm in doubt. Will Munna Bhai's garage be open or will Munna Bhai's garage be shut? Is Munna Bhai getting a Rakhi bandowed, or is he bandoing a Rakhi to somebody? I'm guessing the Woodland store will be open. There are all sales and all going on. And what better of a day than Raksha Bandhan to get some nice sales in. My camera all teda meda. Is it? See, there Woodland is. That I'm quite lucky today. That is right across my house and open, living and shining. It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon. What is up? Good afternoon YouTube. This is your captain speaking, and welcome back to another flight. Woodland. Oh, that is that's exactly what happens when you fuck around and try to find out. Chalo. Got it. चल परफेक्ट. नहीं हो गया, खाली इसको सीधा करना है मेरे को बस. थैंक यू ब्रो. बना के वुडलैंड.
अच्छे चप्पल देखकर फोन निकाल कर, हाँ बोलो, माल को शिपिंग यार्ड भेज दिया, वो करोड़ रुपए के चेक देंगे, उसे बैंक में जमा कर देना। यूं नाटक करता हुआ वो नया चप्पल पहनकर चला जाता था। उसे देखकर लगता है ये कोई करोड़पति है।
So yeah, thankfully nothing major happened. I got a little scrapes here and there. See this? My hand is a little bit chaffed and ये चूना लग गया। Thankfully खाने वाला चूना नहीं था। I think I tripped here. यही होगा। Damn, wasn't a bad one, but it was damn unexpected. What is the lesson we have learned for today, kids? Don't do Hoshiari. Hoshiari will cost you dearly. So at least after everything said and done, even if my work has not been successful, at least मेरे को आज का thumbnail and title मिल गया. Very important. Damn, that's a matte military green Activa. क्या मस्त लग रही थी यार. Very sweet. सब बंद है. Fuck. पर अपना मुन्ना भाई अंदर बैठता है. I'm pretty sure even he's shut together. Shit. On that military green Activa, the matte military green Activa, I did not like the golden accents on it. The green and golden was giving it a little bit a very attacky look. अपन महाराष्ट्र में बोलते हैं झगा मगा माला बागा. Even though I like things to be colorful, I don't like it to be झगा मगा माला बागा. Oh, खुला है बे. But I don't think मुन्ना भाई या छोटू है. नमस्ते. मुन्ना भाई है? मोनू भी नहीं है. आज शट है. कल. थैंक यू. कैसे हो प्रिंस भाई? कल आता हूँ. मैं भूल ही गया रक्षाबंधन है. सर्विस पे देनी थी. हाँ इसीलिए मैं चेक मारने राउंड आया. थैंक यू. चला ऑटो मैन्युअल मध्ये काढा. बाय द वे गणपति के स्टॉल्स लगना शुरू हो चुके हैं. स्टॉल्स मतलब जो पॉपअप शॉप टाइप्स होते हैं. गणपति प्रेपरेशंस हैव बिगन इन फुल स्विंग एंड गणपति इज वन ऑफ माई फेवरेट फेस्टिवल्स. गणपति का खाना ऐसा वेजिटेरियन खाना तो किधर नहीं खा पाएगा. एंड दिस इज ऑल्सो एन इंडिकेशन कि मैजिकल रेनफॉल होने वाली है. ऐसा मतलब डोर स्टेप पे है मैजिकल रेनफॉल. घंटी बजा रही है, तेरे को खाली दरवाज़ा खोलने की देरी है बस. एंड व्हाट आई मीन बाय मैजिकल रेनफॉल इज अगर मानसून खत्म भी हो गया होगा, व्हेन द मानसून इज डन एंड डस्टेड फॉर एंड द रेन्स हैव बिकम वेरी फार एंड फ्यू, then comes the magic of dew and Ganpati brings with him some energy in new. पूरा राइम मेरा ऊपर नीचे हो गया मैन. Anyway, मेरा कहने का मतलब ये है कि even though it doesn't, even when it's done raining in the monsoons, the moment Ganpati starts, गणपति के पहले दिन पे बारिश पड़ेगी. It will rain on the first day, it will rain in the middle and it will rain on the last day. On the first day will be a torrential rainfall and I don't know how the hell does this happen, but as far as I have lived all my life on this planet, it has always been, I mean, एक coincidence एक बार होता है, 2 बार होता है, 3 बार होता है, चौथी, 5वीं, 20वीं, 25वीं, 28वीं, 29वीं. Fuck, I was just talking about बारिश. ये देख. Damn. ये मेरा इंट्यूशन का कमाल है कि ये भी कोइंसिडेंस है. देखा. It's called a callback joke. When a joke is finished and you start talking about something else, but in the middle of that something else, you call back to your previous joke. It's called callback. भाई तू छोड़ दे. तेरे स्टैंड अप के सपने छोड़ दे. मोटर ब्लॉगिंग पे ध्यान दे. Damn it, bro's back is wider than my handlebar. What are you saying? It sounds damn mean, but of course he's got an aftermarket only. It's growling. Oh, it's a carbon fiber exhaust. Oh my god, why is he wearing a carbon fiber exhaust but a phatawa moza? Oh, it's not a toned sock, it's design. Shit, I don't have any socks on na yaar, so I don't fully grasp all the luxuries in life.
I want to be an Avenger.